From this video, you will learn how to copy paste your way to 2.3 million yearly income or $191,000 per month income online, free, 100% free, without investment, without technical knowledge, without even a website. You can do it if you are at any age, and you can do it from anywhere in the world. You can get paid through PayPal, you can get paid to your bank account or any other payment method you want. All you have to do is to copy and paste. By the way, the numbers I just mentioned are not my numbers, and probably they're not your numbers as well. They are the numbers of one of the top tech channel owner, Mr. Who's the Boss. And of course, these numbers are just assumptions, and they should be much more than that because his income doesn't come from only one channel. He has multiple sources of incomes based on that one channel. So that one channel is the focus of our discussion today, and the best of the best part of this video that you can do all this from anywhere on the planet. So no matter where you live, you can make this money. No matter how old you are, you can make this money. You don't need experience and you don't need technical knowledge. You don't even need a website. That sounds good, right? And that's even not the best part. The best of the best part is that we have done everything for you, and we will show you how to take our work 100% free, use it for you, and make money. Are you going to make $190,000 a month from tomorrow? Probably not. But if you use this method very soon, you will make very close to 10% of this income, which is like $19,000 a month. That's still super awesome, right? So stay tuned till the end of the video because I will show everything in steps. And if you miss any step, you'll probably fail to make the money I'm going to show you. So let us begin. Before we begin, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and switch on the notification bell button, as this way you will get notified when we will upload our next video. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and family. This way, your friends and family and your social media contacts will also learn how to make money online the right way and the easy way, and we will get more viewers. That will make us happy. That will inspire us to make more and more videos like this. A little story before we begin. I started looking for how to make money online back in 2010. At that time, there was no Facebook, there were no social media, at least they were not that popular. But there were forums. I used to spend a lot of my time reading other people's posts and discussions, while they were the ones making the real money. Now, I kept reading, buying courses, learning, buying softwares, trying, but I actually started making money when I started to copy paste. And that's what I'm about to show you. By the way, till date, we copy paste, and now we have a 7-figure per year software company, and we run our operations entirely online. This should be an inspiring story for you, right? One of the results of our copy paste is Epic software. Epic is a video creation software. So we basically copied the idea of video creation software and pasted in our format, but we improved it, we developed it, and we made it a no-brainer, completely newbie friendly. We considered all the problems that beginners might have while they're trying to make money from videos. So we're gonna show you how to do that, but let's come back to our making money today. So talking about Mr. Who's the Boss, his latest video about Samsung S22 Ultra versus iPhone 13 Pro Max camera test video has gone viral. Now in one day, he got 1.9 million views, and MKBHD made a similar video and he got 2.9 million views in 6 days. So probably Mr. Who's the Boss's video is going to get much more views than MKBHD's, but that's not our point here. The point here is this video is done extremely well, and it's done so well. If you watch this video, you will know clearly the difference, the features, the benefits of Samsung S22 versus iPhone 13 Pro Max. 13 Pro Max? Yes. So we have taken an initiative to copy paste Mr. Who's the Boss. What we have done is we have transcribed his whole video using one of our softwares, and we got the whole script of the video. Then we have rewritten the script entirely without copying and pasting him. So basically we took the idea and the lesson and the knowledge he shared with us, and then we rewrote the script entirely. We used images from other places, not from his video, but we took the whole idea from his video and we put it on our Epic software and we made a whole video template just for you. So if you subscribe to Epic Trial from the link in the description, you'll basically get the whole video ready, done for you. And then what you can do is this. Although everything is custom made and legal to use, but you can customize it completely for yourself. And you can make as many videos as you want just by copying and pasting. So this is one of the videos, just an example of one of the videos that we have made, and we got good number of views from here. This was a shorts. But why don't we make another shorts and show you how to make it? Click create new S22 shorts and select vertical, then click create. The canvas is ready. Now we look for S22 Samsung image on Google. By the way, this is just a demo. We should not use other people's photo just like this. This is just a demo of what the software can do for you. Copy the image link address. Copy image address and simply paste it here. Your image is here, right? Awesome. Okay, let's say you want to copy this text. Go to the text section, paste it here, change the font if you want, and click add text. The text is added, super cool, we understand it. Hit enter, put it on center, looks cool, make it bigger, awesome. Now you want to add some text in the slide, right? And I said, all you want to do is copy and paste. So you copy, Control C, you're going to add a text, but this text is not yours. So you should not copy it directly. All you're going to do is to click text generator here and Control V. You have two options. Either you spin the text and rewrite using AI, or you use AI and rewrite completely to something new or something different. Now choice is yours. Try anything you want. I will simply spin the text here for this example. I'm going to add the text and a little bit of clicks here and there to make it nicer. A few more clicks. If you choose, you may just beautify it using these design options. Okay, now you want to add a voiceover and you don't want to add your own voice. So simply Control C, select all the text, Control C, and go to audio section and click text to audio. Choose WaveNet, voice, I like this female voice, and then Control V, copy and paste again. Click submit. The voiceover is ready, so click add and it is added to the slide and it became a 1-minute video. So this is basically a 1-minute shorts. Now instead of making just one video or one slide video, you can clone the whole thing. You can add more text, more elements, simply make the video longer, and then the same way, copy the text, go to the audio section, add a new audio,
additional reports,
and make a longer video. So when you are done, simply click render and your video will be ready in the background. Now all these things, there's multiple slide sections, are done by us completely. When you get access to your account, you will get access to the video. Super cool. So get your access to Epic, this video creation software, and you're ready made, done for you by us, money making video, just like Mr. Who's the Boss. I mean, the same information that Mr. Boss has is going to be yours. All these videos, whoever made videos about S22 right now has gone viral, and they're getting thousands and thousands of views per day because this is a hot topic and probably it will stay hot for a year to come. And we have done it for you. Go ahead, get Epic, get the video, customize it as you want, post it on YouTube, post it on TikTok, post it on Instagram, get views, get traffic, and make money.
Samsung made waves with its Galaxy S21 smart device launched last year thanks to significant renovations to its camera system.
More than that, Samsung will have its efforts focused on making the S22 Ultra even more impressive due to the lack of a Note smartphone.
And I will see you in the next video. Did you like our video so far? We put a lot of effort on it so you make money online the easy way and the right way. Please hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and switch on the notification bell button, as this way you will get notified when we will upload our next video. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and family, as this way they will also learn how to make money online the easy way and the right way, and they will also get notified when we will upload our next video, and we will see you in the next video.